In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract pages in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you want to do up top here, you want to go to the Organize tab, and here you can see it says Extract Pages, so just click on that, and then from here you can basically select your page ranges, as for example, here you have Pages, All, you can just extract the current or custom, so I'm going to extract all of them over here, and then here you have the subset, you could do all, odd, or even, and then here, of course, you have the output options. Now, the type here basically will allow you to select how you would like to do it, so we can extract them all to a new document. You can basically extract all extracted pages to one file, or save each page to separate files. So I'm going to do each page to separate file over here, and I'm going to do it for all pages. And then here, of course, you can see there's basically the file names. I'm just going to leave this as it is right now because it's fine with me, but of course you can play around with it if you want to. You have a bunch of different options you could do over here on the right. Then you have to select your destination folder. I'm just going to select the destination folder as my downloads folder. Click on select, there we go, and then here it basically allows you to open up the folder and select output files. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on OK over here, and I'm just going to click yes over here. Now whenever you do that, you can then go into the folder you selected, and in there you'll be able to see your extracted document. So for example here, as you can see, those are now the 3 pages from this specific document over here. So the name of the document, and then 1, 2, and 3. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.